Hi, I'm Nate Martin from 99bitcoins.com, and here's what's happened this week in Bitcoin in 99 seconds. We reported previously that Electrum Bitcoin wallets were under phishing attack and recommended that users update to the latest version only via the official electrum.org website. This has now escalated to a denial of service attack from over 25,000 IP addresses, aimed at disrupting connections between user wallets and legitimate Electrum servers. Users are urged to disable auto connection to random servers and to instead set a trusted server. We get many questions about debit cards, so we're sure viewers will be interested to learn that Coinbase announced a new crypto debit card. Called Coinbase Card, this new offering allows UK clients to spend crypto from their Coinbase account anywhere that accepts Visa. Users will also be able to withdraw cash from ATMs using the card. Coinbase plans to expand support to the European Union within several months. Christine Lagarde, managing director of the International Monetary Fund, admitted that disruptive technologies are impacting regular banking. Addressing cryptocurrency specifically, Lagarde said that it's, quote, clearly shaking the system. She stressed the need for a balance between innovation and regulation in order to maintain stability. And finally, the publicized relaying of funds over Lightning between well-known people in the crypto space concluded this week after reaching the staff of Bitcoin Venezuela. The Bitcoin amount will now be put to charitable use in the country, which is still in dire economic straits. That's what's happened this week in Bitcoin. See you next week.